Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to help you find out if NF3 is a polar molecule or a non-polar one. So to start with it, we first need to look at its Lewis structure, and here is the Lewis structure of NF3 or nitrogen trifluoride, in which a nitrogen atom is in the center and fluorine atoms surround this nitrogen atoms. So besides that, nitrogen atom also has a lone pair of electrons, and generally the molecules that are asymmetrical like this one and have lone pairs on the central atom are polar. But let's not jump to that conclusion this soon. Let's check out the electronegativity values of nitrogen and fluorine, and then check out the molecular geometry. So when you look at the electronegativity values for nitrogen and fluorine, for nitrogen it is 3.04 and for fluorine it is 3.98. So the difference is more than 0.4, and hence the bonds between nitrogen and fluorine are polar. That means that fluorine will have a pull on the shared electrons between nitrogen and fluorine, and there will be a dipole moment in the direction of fluorine atom. So the direction of the dipole moment will be towards fluorine atom, proceeding like it will be towards fluorine atom, and it will be same for all these three fluorine atoms. Now if you look at its structure, there is a lone pair on the central atom, which also causes a little bend in the structure, and instead of cancelling these charges out, it doesn't do anything. And as these dipole moments are not cancelled out, and as there is a non-zero dipole moment in this molecule, there are poles formed in this molecule, because the regions around nitrogen will have partial positive charges and the regions around fluorine atoms will have partial negative charges. And as there are poles formed in this molecule, NF3 is a polar molecule. So I hope this video helps you to understand the polarity of NF3 molecule. For more such videos on Lewis structure, molecular geometry, polarity of the molecules, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.